Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sally Sewing Tutorial. In today's video, we'll be cutting this gown, this wrapper gown, but it's not open. So just stay tuned and follow the tutorial. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do it to subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get notified whenever I post new sewing tutorials. So the first thing I did was to get the full length of my gown. So this is the total length of the gown. I have 58 inches here. So it depends on the length you want. So I'm cutting two parts together, the back and the front. So it's folded into four. So after folding it, you are going to put the allowance you need for the wrapper. So that's what I have there. So for my waistline, I added an extra 17 inches for the wrapper side. So what I did, I impute my shoulder measurement. My shoulder is 18 inches divided by 2. We have 9 inches here. Then I did my neck opening 3.5 inches. Then I sanded it with 1 inches up. Then for my back, I'm coming down by 1.5 inches, while for the front, I'm coming down by 3.5 inches. So for my armhole opening, I have a total of 9.5 inches. Then I slanted with 1 inch, so I left with 8.5. So I looked for the middle of 8.5 inches. We have 4 inch and 4.25 inches. So I curved it for the back. So after removing the back, I'm going to adjust the front. So what I did, I looked for the underbust. Our underbust is 14 inches. Then I came down by 2 inches from the 14 inches, which is not up to our waist. Then from the bust, I impute our bust measurements. I added 1 inch extra for allowance and 1 inch for seam allowance. So by the time I was coming down to the waistline, I had to do it in a curvy form to meet with the extra allowance I gave for the wrapper. So this is how I did. So I'm going to cut this out now and we'll work on the front. So I'm cutting the back first. So guys, this is what we have. So this is the back and the front. So I'm going to take the back out, then work on the front. So for the front, from the midpoint of the armhole, I'm going to come in by 2.5 and 0.5 inches. Then I'm going to curve it to meet with this and curve it. So I'm going to cut this out. Then I'm going to cut the front out also. So I'll set this aside. Next, I'm going to cut the sleeve. I'm going to cut the two sleeves together. So I'll fold my fabric this way, and I'll fold it again, making it 4. Then I'll take the length of the sleeve that I wanted. I wanted a 24 inches sleeve. I'm going to make it 26 so that because I'm going to fold it at the down part to add elastic, and I'm going to gather it at the up. So I'm using 26 inches for my sleeve. So I'm just going to curve it with my free hand. This will be more than the armhole, so I'm going to gather it at the tip. Then I'll draw it to the down part, then cut it. So this is for the sleeve. So guys, after cutting the sleeve, I went ahead to cut facing for both the back and the front. So this is the facing for the back. This is the facing I cut for the back. So I'm just going to pin it down. Then after pinning down, I'm going to also cut the one for the front and I'll pin it down. So this is for the front. I'll also do the same thing by pinning it down. Then after I'm done with this, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and I'm going to do the necessary what I have to do. So now I have my back and my front ready, and I also have the sleeve together with the rope that I will be attaching to this dress. So I'll take it to the sewing machine. I will turn the facing with the cloth, join it at the shoulder with ½ inch, and also join it by the side with ½ inch and 1 inch wherever that is necessary. How the front looks like. I went ahead to join the inside by the bust line with 1 inch. So this is it, my pony neck. Then this is the excess for the wrapper. I also joined a rope that will enable you tie it. I'm going to put it on the mannequin for you to see. So this is how it is. So the side I joined with ½ inch, and this top side I joined with half inch, but here I joined with 1 inch. Then by the time I got to this plate that have the curve, I started joining with half inches. Then this is the sleeve. I've gone ahead to add the elastic to one part of the sleeve. So this is the other part. This is how it is. This is my elastic. Depends on the longness of the elastic you want. So I'm using a 7 inches elastic, half-inch elastic. The length is 7 inches. Then I'm going to put it and it's going to look like this. So I'll go now, fix this on the dress, the sleeve of the dress, and I'll put it on the mannequin for you to see how to style it. You can style this dress in different ways. So guys, this is the end result of drag gown. So this is how it looks when you want to tie it to the front. So for the record, I have to reduce the wideness of 17 inches. I reduced it by 6 inches. So I have 12 inches here. So this is how it looks like. Then when tying it to the back, you just take it this way and you just tie it to your choice. If you want it tighter, you can. So this is how it's going to look when you tie it to the back. So when tying it to the front, you just do it this way and you raise it up and you just tie it to the back. Then you arrange it properly to the way you want it to be. And this is how it's going to look at the back side when you tie it to the front. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Do not forget to like, share and comment. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.